News right now out of Charlotte. A mansion explodes near Lake Norman, killing at least one person and injuring one other. This happened around midnight on Barber Loop Road near Old Arborway Road. And you can see from this video from the chopper here, the entire house is destroyed. The house is worth more than, or it was worth $2 million. According to property records, it's owned by Caleb Farley, a player for the Tennessee Titans. Again, one person is dead and we know one other person is hurt. The cause of this explosion is under investigation.